Hello friends, welcome to General Studies Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the five major deals of India with the US. The first deal is a jet engine deal. In this deal, India and America jointly produce jet engines. This deal involves manufacture of GE F414 engine for India light combat aircraft Tejas MQ-2. In this deal, two companies are involved. One is General Electric from America and Hindustan Aeronautics from the India. Second deal is the drone deal. India is going to buy 30 MQ-9 Predator drones from the US. The third deal is the semiconductor deal. In this deal, Gujarat government and Micron Technology from America has signed the MOU in which a Micron Technology will invest 2.5 million US dollars to assemble, test, marking and packaging of the semiconductors in Gujarat. The fourth deal is the space collaboration. India has signed the Artemis Accord in which India will be the part of the land on moon in 2025 and ISRO also take part in the future Artemis missions like Lunar Gateway, Mars landing, and establishing lunar base. The fifth and the last deal is that setting trade disputes. India and US have settled six trade disputes in which New Delhi will eliminate the custom duties on 28 US products. Thank you.